After the incredible roller coaster ride of the past 2 years, now you may have a question in your mind. Did it matter in the end?
With the very winsomeness of the roar of the sea, whisper of the swaying boughs, and the clear celestial skies.
Along the south coast of a massive nation lies a land that is home to thousands of dreams. The land that lets ourselves immerse in its reverberating vastness and beauty. It's okay to feel chaotic, because this is the land that will nurture you now on. So let your spirits be free, for this place is going to be your first love before you fall for someone here. It is tough to get into an ITK, but 4 years later, it is tougher to leave an ITK.